Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Riju. We'll be starting uh, statistics today, right?
Yes, sir.
It's comfortable, na? This morning timing. I'll keep your timing
Yes, sir.
because
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Hmm.
Absolutely perfect.
Because actually they have just, and the other students, they have just entered into class 12, but your level is higher. You already know it. So why to waste time? Because your level has to be increased above 12, no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. अच्छा. Statistics. See the statistics, na? Statistics actually, it's known by the other name. It's also known as the measure of central tendencies. Basically, it's a branch which is actually in. There are offices which deal with the statistics, the data tables, all those you have to uh, analyze. Okay. The
Yes, sir.
other name is measure of central tendency, in which first how we'll be learning it. There will be parts like we'll be learning first the arithmetic mean. This
Sir,
is
do I send the syllabus once? Like I'm not understanding which one you're doing right. Oh, activity.
the syllabus you don't know, na? Oh,
I know. I can just send you
send
the
me.
one I.
Send me. I'll
Sir,
see.
I've sent.
Okay.
This is just the stat portion. The math portion is different. I'm sending the math portion as well. This is the math portion. The one I'm sending right now. Second one.
Differentiation, integration, vector, matrices, algebra, numerical methods, notation, standard function. Okay. But it's written above permutation and combination.
So that one I know already. I just
Hmm.
need the stat portion mostly.
Acha.
Measures of location, speed, spread, then probability I know, but the advanced one I don't have a good idea on, except the conditional one. I don't know tree diagram. Then
Hmm.
discrete random variables, continuous random variables, these I don't. Discrete distribution.
Wait. Mean, median, and mode. Okay. Range, standard deviation, variance, skewness is okay. Basic rule of probability, okay. Pre-diagram conditional probabilities. This part comes under probability actually. Conditional
Yes, sir,
probability.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
In 12 is given, but the tree diagram is not. That's what I need to know.
Pre-diagram is not given. Mean in discrete random variables, definition of probability, mean, median, mode, variation coefficient of skewness. Okay. Continuous random variable definition. Discrete distribution. Actually, they have written everything at one place. But usually, what is there now? When we actually teach, the some part of statistics is taught here. Means like that the part which is given here, now mean, median, mode, measurement
Yes,
of
sir, yes.
spread, that one, probability, basic rule of probability. But after that, the part which is there in the probability, that is usually taught in probability part. When we study probability, na there it is. There we cover that this one. Because the formula for probabilities are somewhat different. Only this is the difference. Discrete distribution, I'll teach here only.
Okay, sir.
Discrete distribution and continuous distribution I'll be teaching for everything. Don't need. But correlation coefficient, this is different. This is usually not taught. Correlation part and the first part. Types of data: bar chart, histogram, dot plot, stem. You know that one, this part, this bar chart is histogram and all.
So I know like the meaning of them. I don't know how to do questions or
Don't
sums
worry,
with
don't
those.
worry. Let me cover it. Let me cover this one, this part, and the leftover part we'll take after this.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Let us cover this one, statistics from the basic. Otherwise, if
Okay,
we
sir.
do not know the basic, it will be difficult for us.
Yes, sir. I forgot the basic. It's last
Hmm.
done in class 11. I
Yes,
forgot.
actually, what's the problem with the statistics? No, the statistics is not difficult, but you have to know the standard formula, where to apply which formula, what method we should use, because mostly the students tend to forget the formulas. It's formulas and methods. There is a standard procedure to solve every kind of question. What kind of, if the range is given in range and frequencies are given in different format, how to do that? That is only known as the discrete one. Discrete distribution, continuous distribution. It's given na third last,
Yes, sir.
continuous distribution, discrete distribution. That's that only. They have shown it as a part. But when I'll teach you na, most of the things will be covered. This tree. Where is this one? This tree diagram, na? Tree diagram I have to show you through a problem
Okay,
because
sir.
uh, the it covers and it comes under probability. Don't worry, we'll cover everything.
Okay, sir.
So in the statistics, what we will be learning to calculate means first is arithmetic mean, then is geometric mean, third is your harmonic mean, then median, and then mode. After that, we'll be moving to the next part, which is deviation and all, variance, deviation, and those things. Now, what is arithmetic mean?
Sir, I think it was A plus B by 2.
Ah,
That formula.
that is the basic one that we use, that we already know. There is
And
a
geometric mean was root AB.
geometric. That's the
That's the one
basic
I know.
one. But if
Yes,
if
sir.
we
Yes.
change if we change this one, means the frequencies and all, everything is given, means for a grouped data, for continuous grouped data, how you will do it, there is a different formula. That also you should know. But wait, let me give you the formula. This one you already know, it's good. First is the direct method. In the direct method, if we have certain quantities, like there is a series, there's a series with numbers like x1, quantities like x1, x2, x3, x4, like that it is given up to xn. In that case, the geometric mean, the arithmetic mean will be the sum of all those things, sum of the series, divided by the total number of items. Okay, means it will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on up to xn, whole divided by total number of items are n divided by
And
n. This is also written in the form sigma xi, where I is moving from 1 to n, whole divided by n. Okay, this is the
okay, sir.
most easiest way we calculate the mean, arithmetic mean. And because, and what we know from the this sequence and series, if two items are given, means like a and b, we have to find out the mean. We have to add them and then we have to divide by number of items. Two items are there, a plus b by 2. That's the most basic one. But if we extend it to n number of items, this is the formula. Okay, now
Okay, sir.
there was one more thing. uh, hmm. The particular method is a plus d by 2 exponents a There is a shortcut method also. The shortcut usually to calculate mean by using this method is easier, but sometimes they use the shortcut method of this, which is a plus sigma d divided by n. Did you know this one? Remember?
No, is this the AP series formula, like for the AP?
This one?
A is the first term, D
No,
is
no,
the.
no, 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 not that one. It's not this one, that one. It's different. That
No, I
was
don't think so.
if the series is a plus d, a plus 2d, the nth term will be
Yes,
a
it
plus
is.
n
Yes.
minus 1 into d. It's not that one. It's different one. The same, the sum. See, again, I'm telling the formula that you've already known, the adding them up and then dividing by the number of items. It's the easiest way. And students usually do not know this, do not use this shortcut method, and then they don't teach also. But sometimes in complex problems, some problems will be there in which you will find this method is easier to find out the mean. What everything is meant, I'll tell you. D is equal to x minus a, where a is the assumed mean. X is the item number. Item means it's not item number, it's the item. Means suppose here we have the item of x1, x2, x3, x4. These are known as the
Yes,
items.
sir.
Now I'll write items like
Something
x1.
towards A.
Wait. A is the trickier one. A is the trickier one. Wait. A is the assumed mean. Assumed mean means you have to assume a particular mean for a series.
Okay, I understand. I understand.
Like suppose for example, I'll give you, if the items are odd, I'll give you one example also. If n is odd, then your assumed mean will be nth
N plus 1
item.
by 2. Oh, my God. Isn't it
Now
the middle one?
for
Like
even,
the.
the middle one.
Okay, yes. For even, it's N plus 1 by 2.
Hmm. No,
Okay,
for
yes.
even it is n by 2 plus 1.
Oh, okay. Sir, if there are two numbers and they both of them are same, then
No, your
it's the
formula,
frequency that
no, you
matters, right?
told it correct. When n is odd, the assumed mean will be your n plus 1 by 2. Okay, correct.
Yes,
N
sir.
plus 1 by 2 the item.
Yes, sir.
And if n is even, in that case, your assumed mean will be n by 2 plus 1th item.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I'll give you an example. Suppose I have taken A, I have told you assumed mean. This deviation, you have what is for each item you have to calculate this value of D, and then divide the whole thing with the number of items that you have. Understood this formula, na?
Yes, sir.
Let me give you an example. Suppose you have the items like 1, 2, 3, 4, odd number of items are there, and their quantities are given as x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5. Here you can see n is odd.
Hmm.
So which will be your assumed mean?
The third one, x3.
X3, correct. Because the formula says n plus 1 by 2, na? 5 plus
5
1 by
plus 1 by
2
2. Yes, sir.
is 6. 5 plus 1 by 2 is 6th. Third. 6 by 2 is third.
Yes, sir. The
So
x3.
x3 will be. This is how, and then this assumed mean value I'll keep here in place of this, and then I'll calculate d for each, means 1 minus x3, x1 minus x3, and x2
Okay.
minus
I understand.
x1 minus x3 plus x2 minus x3 plus this will be 0, third one will be 0 anyway. So this x4 minus x3, x5 minus x3, like that. Okay, and then we have
Yes,
to
sir.
divide with a number of items. And there, when you are doing this one, you have to put modulus also.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
like that it is. And then if we have taken in the same way, if we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and the items were this one x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and x6. In that case,
The next four.
then x4, because it will be 6 by 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, like this. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, but actually this thing I have told you, but you won't be using it because the questions are not framed in such a way. Now I'll tell you about
Sir, I
this.
think I've used this formula in class 11, like the variance question, I think.
You must have used it because they must have given, but you sometimes only you'll be using it, not frequently.
Okay, sir.
In particular type of questions you'll be using it. Now the mean formula for continuous data. This formula you may be knowing. Continuous series means grouped data. Group data means if the data is given like this x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5, and for each particular frequency also given f1, f2, f3, f4, and f5 like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This one.
Means for an example, if we take, suppose I've taken an example of what example of, I'll take an example of class. Suppose there is a class, this is uh, class 6th, this is 7th class, this is 8th class, this is 9th class, and this is your 10th class. The number of students, this frequency represents the number of students. It's an example. There can be anything, like they can tell these are the bags, first bag, second bag, third bag, and the F1 frequency will represent the number of items which are presented, like that it is. So suppose I have
Okay, sir.
given F1 is 10, F2 is 20, F3 is 30, F4 is 10, F5 is 40, like that. Now in that particular case, the arithmetic mean is given as sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi, like that. Means you have to multiply the frequency with the item, and then for each, and then add them all. F1 x1 plus F2 x2 plus F3 x3 plus F4 x4 plus F5 x5 whole divided by all the frequencies. F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4 plus F5. Understood now?
Yes, sir. I knew this one.
This formula you may be knowing, and for this also
Yes,
there
sir.
is a
Yes.
shortcut formula. The shortcut is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi into xi minus a whole divided by sigma fi. Again, you have to put a modulus on this. Okay, like that. So positive values only you have to take, not the negative one. Easy.
Yes, sir.
Formulas are exactly same. This formula and that formula. Only thing is you have to multiply with the frequency, and the value of small n, that the number of total items you have to you are taking, you will take as them as total number of the sum of all the frequencies. That's the only thing. Let me give you some question now. One or two question, easy question, not tougher one, just to make you understand how these are being applied. Try to do this. This is easy one. Did you why you're targeting only ASET?
Not just ACID, other exams as well. But ACID is just, I less like it more. That's why I'm saying it.
Huh? And what?
I just like ACT, but I'm not
Acha.
targeting just ACT.
Hmm. Means through ACT, what where you want to go?
So there's the Indian Institute of Actuaries and there's the I forgot the other one name, but there are mainly two of these like universities. One only for India, and another one is for the entire world. I'm trying to go for the India ones, and then once I finish with that course, I will go for the outside countries, foreign countries.
Acha.
I'm not sure myself.
Because actually I have known only very few students who are actually targeting this examination. Because what's there now? The students actually do not focus on this because the students who are targeting this JEE main and all examination now they do not
Yes,
focus
sir.
that much on statistics. But from the beginning, you are very much focused upon the statistics part.
So G already has too much competition, and considering that India already has like very few
No,
job.
actually, jobs will always be. You will always have the option. Means whatever you give this examination. Means if you do the JEE main, na JEE main, you try to score good. Usually, the serious student they score good like 94, 95, 96 percentile is common. But once they get into it, na, once through that score they get into any college or university, whatever their preference is, either it's near their place of residence or somewhere else like big cities, there what they want to go, where they want to go. But whatever college you do after the college, you will be most probably the students will be getting into this computer science companies, CSE,
Yes, sir.
and it's up to you. You want to remain in India or you want to go outside because there once you get into IT company, it's very easy to get go foreign. It's up to you. You want to be in India or you want to go abroad.
I kind of want to go abroad. So if
Hmm.
the question answer is C, this one,
Answer is C, na.
B.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Ah, correct. Acha, try to solve this question. Also, this is also easy one. But this is very true. When you go abroad, na, you'll be earning more, and it's easy to
Yes,
earn
sir.
there.
The currency difference. The
Hmm.
currency difference.
Yes, if you go to European countries, it's much better.
65 answer.
65. Wait. Hmm. Yeah. Try to solve this one also.
So I'm not sure, but is the answer C?
Answer C. Wait. Saying answer C. No? Mm-hmm. No, they're saying it is B. See, let
Can
me
you
show
show me
you.
some?
Wait. Let me show you. See what they are saying. If the mean of the set of the numbers x1, x2, x3, so up to xn is x bar, then the mean of the numbers xi plus 2i is.
So that would mean the normal mean plus uh, 2 into the natural number series by 2 by n.
Hmm. It is sigma.
Oh, it would be n in oh, now I understand. N into n plus 1 by 2. The 2 and 2 will cancel, n can cancel. So it will be just n plus 1. Okay, I understand. Yes.
Try to do that. Try to do it yourself, whether you're getting the answer or not.
So do I send after that?
No need to send. Just do it.
Okay.
Just check with my solution that I'm solving.
Okay.
Let's say plus 2i. Real sigma set of the mean of the set of the numbers is this. 2i. Total number of items are. Acha, I is moving from 1 to n only. Okay. Sigma x1 plus 2 sigma i divided by n. It is sigma x
Yes,
divided
yes,
by
matching with the answer.
n. You got the answer, no?
Yes,
Ah,
I
you'll
got it.
get it. This will be x bar plus will be 2 by n. And this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to n. The
So
series
it will be n into n plus 1 by 2.
n into n plus 1 by 2. So this will cancel. So the answer will be x bar plus n plus 1.
Yes. So what's the PVC exam? The writer's name,
Punjab,
1998.
Punjab CET.
What's CT?
Common entrance test, engineering entrance test.
Oh, okay.
Use earlier state-wise, there were entrance tests for state, for each state, like that. Acha, this is over. Now arithmetic mean is done. Now we'll move on to the geometric mean.
Okay, sir.
In the geometric mean, you already said when we have two numbers, two different numbers, AB, the geometric mean will be root AB. You already know this one. But extending this, if we have different kinds of multiple numbers like x1, x2, x3 items, so on and so on up to xn, these are the n variables.
Nth root. Will it be nth root into?
Yes. Are n values of variable x, where x is not equal to 0. In that particular case, because this is very important, x should not be equal to 0, because if any item is 0, all the whole geometric mean will become 0. That item we actually exclude.
Okay, sir.
So the geometric mean in that particular case will be the multiplication of all these things, x1, x2, x3, x4, up to
So this
xn.
formula is for the direct method, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This one, this is a formula. Now see, sometimes when you will be solving questions, good quality questions, sometimes you can use logarithms also to solve, because all the time it's not possible to calculate the nth root. So it's better, the way to solve, I'll tell you, the way to solve is you can apply log on both sides, like
Both
log
sides, yes, sir. Log g equals to 1 by n log then that.
1 by n, these all will be added then, log x1 plus log x2, like
Yes, sir,
that.
yes, sir.
That becomes easier. Then in the answer, if you, the last answer that you get, again you can do e power. Geometric mean will be, suppose you get this value as d, so the answer will be e power d, like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the same thing, this is for the normal, means the normal data is given, and if we talk about the group data, like x1, x2, x3, x4 up to this xn are there, and for each frequencies are given, f1, f2, f3, f4 up to fn, frequencies are given. In that particular case, your geometric mean will be x1 raised to power f1, x2 raised to power f2, x3 raised to power f3, so on and so on, xn raised to power fn whole power 1 by capital N. I am writing this just for simplicity. This capital N
Okay,
is
sir.
actually sigma fi. Means it's the sum of all the frequencies up to fn. This is for the group data. Acha, let me see. We have some question geometric mean. So even easier question will give it. Actually, on the mean they won't give much tougher questions. One question I'm giving you it, and you can
Okay,
attempt.
sir.
Hmm. Actually, Ritu, are you writing this examination, this 2026, the second attempt?
For J, though.
J.
Yes, it is.
You are writing, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you and Archie, you both are classmates, or you know you are friends.
Yes, sir. He's PCM, I'm PCMB.
Acha, you are PCMB. So you are writing NEET also this year.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Sir, I'm trying to go for ISA, NEET, these
Mm.
exams I'm giving.
See, if you have some doubts, no, in physics also you can ask me. Physics or chemistry, if you have, you can send me on WhatsApp. It's not a problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So is the power the frequency here? For the power of 3?
No, no, no. It's not frequency. They are just means the items are given in that way. 3 square, 340. They are not frequencies.
So then what will be the N? Just N.
N is just a
Okay,
number.
okay, okay. Okay,
First
okay, okay.
1, 2, 3 like that.
D will be answer.
Easy na?
Yes, sir.
Actually, these kinds of questions. See, Raju, you make if you find some easy question, you make a habit of solving it in your mind rather than putting on paper. This will actually help you in these examination. Examinations are there, no? Bitset examination, VIEEE, those small
Okay.
examinations. It will be helpful because shorter questions are there. You are much comfortable in solving in mind easy questions. Then your
Yes, sir.
speed will be very fast. See, like
Okay.
this question, if we see, this question is actually I'm writing, but you can solve it in your mind. Like this means 3 is there. You will be multiplying each of them. So it will be 3 power 1 plus 2 plus
1
3
plus 2. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
up to n. And whole because
The whole by 1 by N
1 by n because n
power.
items are there.
Yes,
So
sir.
here you can this the sum is n into n plus 1 by 2. And this will be cancelled. So 3 power n plus 1
Yes.
by 2. This much part you should be able to do it in your mind. It's not that difficult. But again, these kinds of questions are asked in the CET examinations. Easy. In your ASAT examination also they'll ask this kind of question only, not tougher one.
Okay, sir.
Acha, now we have completed up to geometric mean, geometric mean, arithmetic mean. Now let me teach you about the harmonic mean also. Acha, in your class 11, did you study about this harmonic progression?
No, sir.
Yeah, acha, you don't teach, no?
So, but I think I then it was 1 by A into 1 by that. We saw
Means
over there.
actually harmonic mean the terms in harmonic mean if you reciprocate them and then it becomes like arithmetic
Geometric mean.
no, not geometric, arithmetic.
Oh, I see. Yes.
If you reciprocate each item, then that becomes arithmetic progression. Then you can use your arithmetic progression to solve all the questions of that. So suppose harmonic mean of they want harmonic mean of x1, x2, x3 like that up to xn. So that means what we have 1 by x1, 1 by x2, 1 by x3, all these things in AP. So the earth, if you calculate its mean, these are in AP, arithmetic progression. Then in that particular case, if you find out their mean, what will be its arithmetic mean? It will be 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by x3 plus and so on 1 by xn whole divided by the number of items that you have. It will be n. And now, since we have calculated the arithmetic mean, we have to calculate harmonic mean. Harmonic mean will be the reciprocal of it. So I can easily write this as 1 by harmonic mean is equal to 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by x3 plus and so on 1 by xn divided by n. So harmonic mean formula will be n divided by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus and so on 1 by xn. This one. This is the formula. Actually, when they give you how to calculate harmonic mean, they'll give you this formula only that I've written. But you should know how you got it.
Okay, sir. I understand.
This you must have understood better. This is harmonic mean formula. And now for the group data, if we have, can you tell me what should be the answer? What should be the formula for group data? Just think and tell me your guess.
So we'll try one second.
Take some time, think, and then give me answer. You have data x1, x2, x3 up to xn, and for each frequencies are given f2, f3.
Sigma fi by sigma 1 by xi.
Acha, it's partially correct.
Sigma is 1 to n.
That's correct. Harmonic mean, the upper part, the numerator part you have told correctly. It's sigma fi, but in the denominator it is sigma fi by xi.
Sorry.
So the formula is f1 plus f2 plus f3 like that up to fn divided by f1 by x1 plus f2 by x2 plus and so on up to fn by xn. Achha, now solve one easy question and then we'll solve some good questions.
Okay, sir.
Achha, so you do not have to note these concepts, because after the class, I actually send the notes of the class. You can make use of them to revise and all. But if you have the habit
Yes,
of
sir, I
writing,
saw last time. Okay, sir.
if you have the habit, it's
Actually,
okay.
writing, it's easier for me.
Because usually in your own handwriting, it's easy to
Yes, sir.
remember and memorize. I try to solve this one.
Okay, sir. One second. .85C.
Good. It's a wait. Now let me select and give some questions. See again on mean, They won't be able to give you much tougher question because the concept is easier, not tougher one. From median, the tougher questions actually start. I have given you a set of questions. Try to answer them as fast as you can. Able to see now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this one, which this question is? Okay. This is the first one. You'll be able to identify it.
So is one HM
12 na? Wait a
number
minute.
one?
1 na? 1 is
Yes, sir.
HM, correct?
Number two is D.
Number 2 is correct.
So what does number three mean? The algebraic sum of deviations are 20 observations from 30. Do I count 30 to 50?
Sum of deviations of 20 observations. Acha, array. This is deviations, na? Deviations you do not know. Try to solve fourth one, not third one.
Okay, sir. So is number four C.
Number 4 is the. Wait. No.
So won't the series be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square,
They're saying.
whose
Wait a
weights
minute.
are equal to the squares of corresponding numbers? So it should be n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 by 6n. And then will cancel out. So C is the answer that I would hope.
But they are saying it is B. Wait, let me
Okay,
see.
so
Let me see. Wait. The mean of the first n natural numbers whose weights are equal to the square of the corresponding numbers. How did you solve?
so I did the 1 square plus 2 square plus up to n square formula, which is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And the frequency is n. So that divided by n. It would n then will cancel out. So n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is the answer. Yes, so this one.
Hmm. The weight mean of first n natural numbers whose weights are equal to the squares of the corresponding numbers is. Hmm. 10% correct. Yes. I think the answer is given wrong. Hmm. Wait, let me check.
Yes, sir. Why would 2n plus 1 be down? Like, it should be in numerator.
Why? equal to the square of the corresponding numbers. Suppose 1 into 1 square plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 3 square, like that they have given n into n square divided fi xi by sigma fi. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square. Then it will be n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, na?
Yes, sir.
Then n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This cancelled. This also got cancelled. 3 by 2. 3 into n plus 1 by 2 into
Okay.
correct. Actually, see what they mean now. You understood it wrong. Actually, what they mean, the weight they have given, na? The weighted mean they are asking. Weighted mean means it's the continuous, that type of distribution in which frequency is given. There are natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n, and for each the frequency is given is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, like that up to n square. These are the frequencies and these are the numbers. Okay. Now the formula that you have to use to find out this mean is sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That's what. That is why you're getting wrong answer.
Okay, I understand now.
So this is the correct answer. Answer B is correct. Acha, coming to this third one, this the algebraic sum of deviations of 20 observations from 30 to 20. 30 is 20. Means the xi minus a value, xi sigma xi minus a value, they have given us 20, right?
Yes, sir.
And the algebraic sum of deviations of 20 observations from 30. That means their
So
assumed
do I
mean
need
is
the A plus sigma fi into x minus e formula here?
no. Acha,
Because A
because
is given 30.
because that formula that is only given, no?
Yes,
You
sir,
will have
yes.
to use this. But you can solve this by other way also. If you see, you know A, so for you can solve by using other method also. It's up to you. Or if you want to use that formula, you can use it. Not a problem.
So what's F here?
With the algebraic sum of deviations of 20 observations, F is not there. There is no F here.
Oh,
The without frequency formula I have given you, na?
so the formula gave me the
Wait.
shortcut one. That was
Shortcut
A
formula.
plus sigma fi into x minus a by sigma fi.
No. Other formula also I have given. See this one. A plus sigma d by n. And the sigma d was xi
Okay.
minus a, na?
One second. I forgot that.
This formula there you have to use.
Okay, sir. So open the question once.
I'm showing it. A value they have given is 30. A sigma xi minus
So
a they
still
have
there is
given.
n though. There is still n.
And na wait, the algebraic sum of deviations of 20 of n is 20, na?
Okay.
20 observations are
X
given.
minus e of 20. So 31 answer.
30. Which answer? Your answer is 30. Wait,
31.
31.
D.
Correct. The answer is D.
Understand it now.
Now try to solve this one. Fifth one.
So what's the series for NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2?
2 power n. Actually, you do not know this. It's very easy to calculate. See, 1 plus x whole power n. This is the basic formula, na? NC0 into x power n, or you write like this, NC0 plus
So it's
NC1.
binomial theorem.
It's binomial theorem. NC2
Yes,
into
yes.
x square, like that. I'm just showing how to, if you forget the series, how to calculate.
Okay,
NC3
sir.
into x cube, sum up to NCn whole power into x power n, like that. Now, if you, actually the series is given in the form of x and y, but one term is 1, so we have neglected it, because everywhere whatever power we have of 1 will become 1 only. So
Yes,
now
sir.
you want the sum of the series NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus and so on up to NCn. So how we'll get it? If we put x is equal to 1 here on both sides, we should be getting the sum.
2 to the power n equals to that.
The 2 power n. So the sum of this series will become 2
Okay.
power n. And sometimes if the series is given in different way, there are actually methods that I'll teach you in binomial theorem. If series is given different way, like 1 into NC1, 2 into NC2, 3 into NC3, like that, then in that case you can differentiate this term also, left and right. Differentiate it, then put value of x is equal to 1 to get to your desired series.
Okay, sir. Understand.
Hmm. Not easy. Hmm.
So it's the same type of question like question number 4, corresponding way. So then won't it be NC0 into 0 plus NC1 into 1 plus NC2 into 2? The formula would change though.
The formula would change, because for that, see, if we have the series like this one that I have given
Hmm.
you, suppose 1 into NC1 plus 2 into NC2, this was there, plus
Yes, sir.
3
Yes,
to
sir.
NC3. In that particular case,
No, it's 1 into NC naught. NC0, NC0. 1 into NC0 plus 2, I think. So when the
acha,
question was?
then 1
So did you see
into,
the question once? I forgot.
it's a question one. Question is just the sum of these.
Yes, sir. 0 to, oh, never mind. Never mind. 0 to 1. Never mind. You were right. You were right. That question I was, you scroll
Acha. No,
downwards.
no, 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 no. You have to solve that way only. See, the mean of the values having corresponding weights. It's the frequency
Yes,
one.
sir. So 0
Ah,
into NC0 plus 1 into NC1 plus 2 into NC2, that way.
correct. You have to differentiate it. Then I'll wait. Then let me tell you. The series that is given to us in the form, it's the item is NC0, NC1, NC2 up to NCn, and for each they have given frequency as 0, 1, 2 up to n. Okay, like that they
Yes,
have
sir.
given. So this is a frequency one. So we have to calculate the mean, means we have to multiply frequency fi into xi by sigma fi.
Hmm.
Here what series we'll get here is, first one is 0 anyway, second one will be 1 into nc1 plus 2 into
Hmm.
nc2 plus and so on n into ncn, divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Now how to calculate this one? Again, I have told you, this series, if you want, you have to differentiate. Try to differentiate this whole term, first one. What you will get? In the left side, if you differentiate n into 1 plus x whole power n minus 1, you will be getting, right? With
Yes, sir.
respect to x, we are differentiating. This will be 0 plus 1 into nc1 plus
So
2
won't the
in,
series change though
no,
on the left? Because the formula on the right is changed.
form. See, if this formula is there, if you differentiate with respect to x on the both sides, after differentiating, the value that you are getting here, the right side, RHS, the
No, I
value,
was saying
they'll be same.
that for the formula 1 plus x power n, the
Hmm.
formula is NC not plus NC1 into x, that one. But when the formula is already 1 into NC1 plus 2 into NC2 plus 3 into NC3, the formula would change though. It
Uh,
won't be 1 plus x power n anymore. It
uh,
will be changed.
it will be
So
changed again, because n into 1 plus x whole power n minus 1.
so that's after differentiate.
Ah. See, when you're differentiating, you have to differentiate LHS as well as RHS. Correct? Just see,
Okay, okay, okay.
you will understand. 3 into NC3 x square.
Oh, you're differentiating the first equation.
I'm differentiating the first equation, this one, this
Okay,
one.
okay,
Then it will become n into ncn x power n minus 1. Now,
yes, sir.
because you want the sum of 1 into nc1 plus 2 into nc2, x is not there in this. So what you will be doing, you will be putting x is equal to 1 on both sides. What you will be getting n into 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 1 into nc1 plus 2 into nc2. This is how we calculate the sum,
Okay.
n into
So the
ncn.
answer would be 2 to the power n minus 1 because n will cancel out.
Wait, no, 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 no. No, still you forgot one thing. We have
Huh.
got what? N into 2 power n minus 1, na? But
Huh.
in the
By
denominator,
n.
n into
So n
n
will
plus 1
cancel
plus.
out. Oh, n into n plus 1.
Sorry, do you forgot?
Why?
1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, the series is n in, the sum of the series is n into n plus 1 by 2, na?
Oh, 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 oh.
Silly mistake.
Yes, yes.
2 power n by n plus 1 we should be getting. So the answer should be this A.
Yes.
Understood? Okay, let me
Okay,
write
yes.
this. Let me write it. No, this one only. No, this one only. This is the formula. Solution 5. Achha, the rest of the question you try to solve by yourself. You will be able to solve. Just be careful. See, the only problem that you will be facing is under identifying which is the continuous distribution, which is the normal one, which is the grouped data, which is the normal data. Okay, so whenever they have given weight, that means you have to think it as the
Direct
frequency
one.
distribution. Frequency distribution.
Oh, my bad. Okay.
Frequency distribution is there, grouped data it is. But when they have
Okay.
not, they have only asked about the normal mean, there is no weight involved, that means that's the normal one. That is only the
No
problem you will
frequency
face.
involved.
Okay. And try to
Okay,
solve
yes.
these, the rest of the questions you can solve. The numbers I have not given. It's 6th, 7th, 8th, you'll be able to identify. 10th, try to solve them, and then if at all you get any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp
Okay.
or in the next class. Okay, let's end the class here.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.